Dear students, in this video we are going to study about deciduous forest. The deciduous forests are also known as monsoon forest. The trees in the deciduous forest shed their leaves during the dry season or in fixed periods in an year they shed their leaves. They shed their leaves to reduce the rate of transpiration. Students, the soil in the deciduous forest is quite fertile since it is often enriched with falling leaves, twigs, logs and dead organisms. The excreta of animals also make the soil fertile. Temperature in deciduous forest vary between 30 degrees to 90 degrees Fahrenheit between winter and summer. Students, the deciduous forest, they are found in different parts of the world. The deciduous forest can be divided into two types. They are the tropical deciduous forest and temperate deciduous forest. The tropical deciduous forests are found near the tropical regions and the temperate deciduous forests are found near to the subtropical regions. Now, the trees that are present in the deciduous forest, the tropical deciduous forest has the trees such as sal, teak and sandalwood. In Australia, there are many types of eucalyptus trees also found in the deciduous forest. Students, in different regions of the world, the deciduous forests are found. The parts of USA, Australia, Asia, Uruguay, Africa. In these regions, the deciduous forests are found. The deciduous forest is a type of forest. They are dominated by trees that lose their foliage at the end of the growing season. This is in contrast to an evergreen forest where a majority of the trees remain green throughout the year. The evergreen forest and deciduous forest are different because in the deciduous forest the trees shed all their leaves in particular seasons, but in evergreen forest the forest is green throughout the year. They shed their leaves from time to time. In evergreen forest, the trees, the mature leaves become yellow and fall off. Students, these are the deciduous forests. They are very beautiful to look at in the beginning of the autumn or the fall season. The leaves are going to fall. At that time, they reduce or they remove the chlorophyll in their leaves. The reduction in the amount of chlorophyll make the leaves visible. Other colors present in them, other pigments present in the leaves begin to become visible. That's why the leaves appear as very brightly colored. You can see this deciduous forest is very beautiful to look at because there are various colors in the leaves such as the orange, yellow and red are there due to the fading away of the chlorophyll pigment and the appearance of other pigments. So the deciduous forests add beauty to the nature. Many tourists are attracted towards its scenic beauty and comes to visit the deciduous forest. Students, there are a variety of animals found in the deciduous forest. Among these forests, there are jackals, the reptiles such as the crocodiles, tortoise, snakes are also there. So these reptiles are present in the marshlands and in the water bodies found in the deciduous forest. There are different types of monkeys present in the deciduous forest. There are many types of birds found in the deciduous forest. Very beautiful birds, woodpeckers, sparrows, sunbirds. There are cranes, herons. Such birds are there, very brilliantly colored ones. There are different types of snakes such as the boas, the rattlesnakes, rat snakes, the pythons, kraits, vipers. Many types of poisonous and non-poisonous snakes are found in the forest of deciduous forest or in the regions tropical and temperate deciduous forest. There are panthers. There are chimpanzees present in the deciduous forest. They are believed to be the nearest relatives of the human beings. There are tigers. Like the tigers, many other endangered species of animals are found in the deciduous forest. There are various species of deer. Squirrels are there in the deciduous forest. We can say that the deciduous forest support a vast variety of flora and fauna. Flora is the plant life and fauna is the animal life. Among the flora, in the Asian countries, salt, teak, sandalwood trees are there. Among the other regions, the trees are the beech, maple, the chestnut, walnut. Such trees are present. Eucalyptus trees are there, and many other species of plants, medicinal plants, all are present in the deciduous forest. There are squirrels, woodpeckers, hedgehogs, raccoons, foxes and rabbits are also found in the deciduous forest. Especially these are the animals indigenous to the temperate deciduous forest. These are the raccoons found in the temperate deciduous forest. They are a type of mammals. So students, this is about the deciduous forest. The deciduous forests are among the different types of forests found in various parts of the world. With a new topic we will meet again. So thank you.